Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to buy Freecoin on TrustWallet. So let's get started. At first let's get into TrustWallet app. Now we can see this browser icon in the bottom right corner, so let's tap on this. Now click on Uniswap interface. Now here we need to click on select token and search for Freecoin. So here it is. Now simply click on continue. Now we need to enter the amount. Here we can say this insufficient Ethereum balance since I do not have enough balance here. If you do have, you'll be able to see a swap option over here. You can simply tap on that and you can easily buy Freecoin on TrustWallet. So this is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.